Selecting the Plungie original fit perfectly into my plans. My name's Alison Lewis and I run interior design studio Alison Lewis Interiors. We purchased the Hartley House project initially as a subdivision project, then we changed halfway through concepting with the architect and decided to build one single house on the block that would be a kick-ass family home. I really wanted a pool in this project, but I was constrained by budget and space, so selecting the Plungie original fit perfectly into my plans. I found organising a Plungie really easy. It was a step-by-step guide from getting a permit to getting it craned into place, setting up my trades and knowing exactly what I needed to do. So from the moment that I ordered it through to it being delivered, it was relatively easy and I'm really thrilled with the result. Having our Plungie pool has been magnificent over summer. We've used it every day. We've had the heat pump going in the mornings for those cooler summer days. We've had friends and family over, all enjoying it as well. It's been a really wonderful addition to our house.